Now see in this question, 8 spherical raindrops of equal size are falling vertically through air with terminal velocity of 0.10 meter per second. What should be the velocity if these drops were to combine to form a large spherical drop? You know formula for this one, terminal velocity is equal to 2r square g into sigma minus rho L, that is density of liquid, divided by 9 eta. It means V is proportional to r square. So basically here you have to get the second one, velocity of this. So you can write V2 upon V1 is equal to R2 square upon R1 square. So now suppose R1 is equal to, you have taken here R1 is equal to R. So now what would be the radius of the second one? So the 8 spherical drops of equal size are falling vertically through air with the terminal velocity this, and these drops are combined. So we can write here 4 upon 3 pi r cube, that is the volume of the bigger drop which will be formed, that we can write here R2 cube is equal to 8 into 4 upon 3 pi R1 cube. This and this will get cancelled. You will be getting R2 is equal to 8R1, that is R2 is that is 2R1. So R2 is equal to, you will be getting twice of R. Now we can put these values here. So V2 upon 0.1 is equal to here 2R upon R, that is square, and we will be getting V2 is equal to 0.1 into R, and R will get cancelled, that is square is 4. So that is 0.4 meter per second.